How would you feel if someone calls you a stranger? And what if it's a bird? That happened to me. I flew from the UK to Nepal only to be called a stranger by a bird. First walk in the woods, I'm minding my business. Suddenly a bird calls, Ko, Ko, and I froze. Because in Nepali, Ko means who's that? Here's what that encounter became a poem. Enjoy. Walking the woods, a bird called, Ko, Ko. A question, it seemed for me, a warning too. A stranger walks these trees, unknown to this land. But the song, so sweet, drew me deeper. Silence followed, the branches stiffened, a hush held there, and the woods whispered a soft regret. I say original poems from a diary, never said before. For more poetry, subscribe or follow.